In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement into Xero in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it's important to pay close attention to every step, so you don't miss anything crucial. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Xero account, open your preferred web browser and go to the Xero login page. You'll see a login form where you need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you have the correct credentials handy, as Xero will require them to grant you access to your account. Once you've entered these details, click on the login button to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. The dashboard is your control center in Xero, providing you with an overview of your accounts and other financial information. To begin the process of importing your bank statement, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. Under the Accounting drop-down menu, click on Bank Accounts. This will take you to the page where all your bank accounts linked to Xero are listed. Next, you need to choose the specific bank account into which you want to import a statement. To do this, simply click on Manage Account, which should be located adjacent to the account name you wish to work with. In the Manage Account menu, you will find an option labelled Import a Statement. Click on this option to proceed further. At this point, you will be prompted to select the file you wish to upload. Click on Select File, which will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to the location where your bank statement is saved. It's vital here to ensure that your bank statement file is in a supported format such as CSV, OFX or QIF, as Xero requires these specific file formats to proceed with the import. Once you've selected the correct file, click Open to upload it into Xero. After successfully uploading your file, you'll see a preview of the transactions included in that statement. Ensure everything looks correct, as this data will soon be integrated into your financial records. If it all looks good, click on Next to confirm the import. Xero will process the file and update your bank transactions accordingly, and there you have it. You've now imported a bank statement into Xero. This process helps keep your financials up to date, ensuring that your records in Xero match your actual bank activity. Remember, regular imports of your bank statements will provide a more accurate reflection of your financial situation, making managing your business that much easier. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting.